Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE channel. So in the first video I uploaded introduction part in the pair of linear equation 2 variable. So today we will start the exercise. So in this chapter I'm going to teach important questions only, so the remaining the same model you can continue. So let's get into that exercise 3.1. So in the beginning we have some word problem. Actually this first topic is a graphical method. So first we will see graphical method questions, next we can see the algebraic method. Now Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Where then also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Then represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically means we have to find out the equations for the graph for the word problem. Graphically means that equations we have to plot in the graph. So first let's find out the equations, then we can plot the graph. Before going to that, let us take one example. For example, when you take like your present age, suppose your present age now 5 years means, okay, just this is an example I'm giving. If your present age now 5 years means, then 7 years ago, no need, we will take 15 years because you are 10th standard, maybe 14 or 15 years you are old now. So before 17 years means 7 years ago, what is your age? This is your present age now, 15 years. 7 years ago means what will your age? 8 years, because from the present age you subtracted. Suppose after 3 years, what is your age? Your age will be 18. So one thing here we have to keep in our mind, ago before means we have to subtract from the present age. After, now, then means we have to add with the present age. Now let's take here 7 years ago. See here, there is one father and daughter. They are comparing to the daughter and the father only. The first case they said in the question 7 years ago. So whenever the age problem comes, you have to consider, or you can take as a present ages only. So present age of Aftab is x years, present age of daughter is y years. Then 7 years ago means from the present we have to subtract. So Aftab age will be x minus 7, daughter age will be y minus 7. Now according to the question, I was, here I means Aftab. So Aftab age equal to 7 times 7 into u means your daughter. So daughter age. So when you compare and if you simplify, here you will get equation 1. So let's go to the second statement. See here you can see also I shall be 3 times as old as you. See now is there, so that we have to add. Now also 3 years from now. So Aftab age will be x plus 3 and daughter will be y plus 3. Now given according to the question, I shall be 3 times as old as you. I means here again Aftab, you means daughter. So Aftab age is equal to 3 times the daughter age. Aftab age here after 3 years is this. So when you apply and simplify, you get equation 2. So therefore equation 1 and 2 you got it. So these two are the algebraically equation. They ask you to represent this situation algebraically. Algebraically means till the equation is enough. Now let's go to the graphically. So graphically means in 9th standard you learn how to find out the solution for the equations. So let's find some solution for the equation 1. So apply x is equal to some number so that you will get y value. Your x value whatever you can apply and y value will be getting. So like that you can find out some solutions. So here I found only 2 solutions, but you have to find out at least 3. So when you apply x value 0 in the equation 1, you got y value 6. So that's the first solution. And second, x value if you can apply 2, 3, 4, 5 also, but your 7th multiples if you apply, you will cancel so that you will get the whole number. So when you apply and cancel, you will get second point 7, 7. Now let's find out some more solution for the equation 2. So here also the same way, apply x value something, will get the y value. Like 2 solutions I got here. Now plot all the solutions in the graph. Draw the x-axis, y-axis. So equation 1 points we have here 0, 6. So we'll get 0, 6 and 7, 7. If you join these 2 points, you can draw a little length straight line. Then equation 2 points also you can plot in the graph paper. So here is the points, and after joining, when you produce the line, sometime the line will intersect. See, in some point the line will intersect here. When you draw in the graph paper, 100% you will get properly. So finally these lines intersect at some point, so therefore we can see this graph forms intersecting lines. Sometime the lines will come like parallel lines, sometime it will come one upon one more. Suppose when you take a one equation line here, one more also it will come on the same line only. That we can say as a coincident line, because all those we discussed in the equation video 1. Here you can see intersecting line means unique solution, coincident line means infinitely many solution. These are all we will see later finding the solutions. This is just a graph. Hope that you understand this, because this model is very important. Mainly word problem. From the word problem you have to make the equation. For the equations you have to find out some solutions that you have to plot in the graph paper. Thank you so much for watching this. If any doubts, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.